How to put your affiliate marketing sites on autopilot. Have people ever told you that you sound like you're a salesperson? If they have, you should consider trying affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a wonderful way to use those strong sales skills to make money on the web. This video will provide you with great tips that anyone interested in affiliate marketing should know. After you've made a sale on your site, offer your new customer a chance to be an affiliate. By offering a customer a chance to make a commission when he sells your products, you can turn one sale into 1,000 potential sales. This can be a great way to do marketing on the internet. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in, or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. Affiliates creating websites are going to need to link their sites directly to the main company's site, so this means you will need to know a little bit about site building and link building. Take your time to create an attractive, functioning site, and make sure that your links work well and lead straight to the pages your customers need to see. To make the most money on your affiliate marketing program, you should work with companies that offer a large selection of tools to help you build your business. Many companies have a number of different banners and text ads to pick from so that you can find ones that are more tailored to your website. When you choose your affiliate marketing business, you must be sure that the product you choose is both familiar to you and popular. Check to see how many people are searching for the product you want to promote. Do an online search for the product yourself to see what kinds of websites and advertising campaigns are already in place. Use a free keyword tool to find out how many other people are conducting this kind of search. You shouldn't waste any of your strengths. If you've been gifted with great sales skills, you should put those skills to use through affiliate marketing. Now that you've watched this video, you know some very useful information about this type of marketing. All that's left for you to do is get started. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.